Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. I still remain Architect Chidi, your favorite architect and your favorite engineer. Today, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to our YouTube channel. Um, I want to say thank you so much. I want to appreciate you. God bless you from the depth of my heart. That's made I've not subscribed. Please, there is still space for you. We are still small and we need to grow. So today I'm going to be talking about four different types of engineers and engineerings, if that is correct. Four different type of engineers. We have different types of engineers. There are four different types of engineers I'm going to be talking about. There are so many types of engineers: industrial, chemical engineers, software engineers. But I'm going to talk about the one that concerns construction. We have civil engineer, we have mechanical engineer, we have electrical engineer, and the structural engineer can basically fall under the civil engineer. And the work of the civil engineer is to um, they help to build, design long-lasting structures such as roads, buildings, bridges, water tunnels, hotels, um, tunnels. So many of these strong structures are being designed by structural and civil engineers specifically. So they most of them hardly do with duplexes or all these small structures. They work on majority of all these strong tunnel structures that needs reinforcements, columns, beams, timings, and other things. So the work of a structural and civil engineer is to make sure the house is standing. If the architect finish drawing all the imaginations, is the work of the civil engineer to look at it and the structural engineer to look at it and see if this thing can actually work. So they have a very big role to play in structures. Then we talk about the mechanical engineer. The mechanical engineer, yes. Mechanical engineer helps to everything that is automobile. How will I mean? Everything that is concerning your water runnings, your water systems, your all the mechanical activities in the house, everything that requires mechanical in the house, they are in charge. Both the installation of your ACs, installation of whatever you need is the work of the mechanical engineer. Then the electrical engineer is in charge of all your electrical appliances, wirings, and if you have ever had issue with electrical, you know that it doesn't have to only end with people that all these roadside in electricians, because so many people are finding it hard to pay the right people. You are finding it hard to pay the right people. That is because you have not have had an issue with mechanical. That's all these plumbers. Basically, they fall under artisans. But if you have not had issues with plumbers and electricians, you will not value the essence and the importance of a good mechanical and electrical engineer. These are wonderful people that have a role to play in construction. They have a role to play for your buildings to be standing. They have a role to play